Brother Master of Ceremonies, you will present the chaplain.
Worshipful Sir, I present to you for installation Worshipful Brother Now, who has been appointed chaplain of this lodge.
Worshipful Brother, that holy book which adorns our sacred altar is the great light of the nation. And forever sheds its benignant rays upon every lawful assemblage of free and accepted nations. Teach us from its light-giving use. Invoke upon our labors the blessing of the divine being, whose infinite goodness which so fully reveals and unfolds to us. And guide us by its lesson, wisdom, and truth, and you will have faithfully fulfilled the important truths. It is your duty to perform those solemn services which we should constantly render to our great Creator, and reverently to allure the brighter worlds and lead the way. And thus, by elevating our thoughts, strengthening our virtues, purifying our minds, prepare us for admission into the society of the blessed, in the realms of life and life eternal. It is fitting that an emblem, the sacred volume, should be the jewel of your office, and with it, you will now be invested.
Lascia così la salvo, faccio un giro finale.
You will now take your proper place. Master of Ceremonies, you will present the Secretary-elect.
Worshipful Sir, I present to you for installation Brother Dimandal, who has been elected Secretary of this lodge.
Brother Dimandal, you have been elected Secretary of this lodge, and you will now be invested with the jewel of your office. I am persuaded that in your hands the pens will make an enduring record, not only to your praise, but also to the welfare of his lodge. It is your duty to observe the will and pleasure of the worshipful Master. Give a faithful record of all things proper to be written. Transmit a copy of the same to the Grand Lodge when required. Receive all monies from the brethren. Pay the same to the treasurer, and take his receipt therefore. You will now take your proper ceremonies, you will preside, the treasurer-elect.
Worshipful Sir, I present to you for installation Brother Tagatak, who has been elected Treasurer of this Lodge.
Brother Tagatak, you have been elected treasurer of this lodge, and you will now be invested with the jewel of your office. The keys have a twofold significance. They are instruments to bind as well as to make loose, to make fast as well as move. They will never, I am confident, be used by you any other manner than that which the constitutions, laws, and regulations of the lodge shall direct. You are to receive all money from the secretary. Give a just and accurate account thereof. Pay the same out by order of the worshipful master with the consent of the lodge. You will now take